Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I will continue about some differential equations. Okay, so let's go. Okay, for the very first one, I would like to show you how to differentiate y equal to sine sine of sine ask. Okay, so this one. It might be a little bit tricky, but it is easy when you know the trick. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Last video, I will teach you about like how to differentiate sine u, right? So when you differentiate sine u, so what will you got? Okay, what will you get? So when you differentiate sine u, you will get cos u, and then differentiate u again, right? Okay, so let's see. So for this example, here is sine, right? So inside is u, right? So when you differentiate sine u, you will get cos u, and then you differentiate again, right? Okay, let's go. So I will write du over dx. Okay, let's go. So when you differentiate sine u, you will got cos u, right? U is here, sine or ask. Okay, and then you need to differentiate again u, right? Okay, differentiate dy dx. U is sine, sorry. So u is sine or s, right? Okay, so this one cosine sine of sine s. Okay, and then for this one again, so here it is start with sine, right? So here it is sine. So this one will be u again. So when you differentiate sine u, you will get cos u and differentiate u again, right? Okay, let's go. So for this one, when you differentiate sine u, you will get cos u. U is here, sine h, right? And then differentiate against u. U is here, sine or x, right? Okay, let's go. So I will rewrite again this one. Cosine of sine ask, and this one also cosine of sine ask. Okay, so when you differentiate sine x, you will got only cos x, because when you differentiate again x, you will got only one, right? So it doesn't matter you right or not. Okay, so the final answer will be this: cos x and cos sine x, cos of sines of sine x. Okay, this will be my final answer. Okay, so let's go to another a little bit tricky ones. Okay, so the question is y equal to cotangent square sine theta. Okay, so before you differentiate this, you need to know this one is equal to cotangent of sine theta the whole square. Okay, so this one is power, right? So when you see the power, you just put down the power first, put down the power, and then put down the power, put down the power, and then number two, reduce the power minus one. And then number three, differentiate the base, right? Do you remember? Okay, I will go for this procedure. Okay, I will differentiate dy over d theta, because here it is theta, right? So we need to differentiate with theta. Okay, let's go. So when you differentiate the power, you just need to put down the power, right? For the first step, put down the power. And then second step, reduce the power 1. Okay, got sine theta. So power 1 is 2 minus 1, right? Reduce the power 1. Okay, finally, differentiate the base. Okay, so dy d theta again. The base is here, cotangent sine theta, right? Okay, for this one, 2, it will only power 1, right? Cotangent sine theta Okay, so for this one, when you differentiate cotangent sine theta, what will you got? So you need to see this one as a u, right? Okay, so when you differentiate cotangent u, what will you got? Minus cosecant square u, and then differentiate u again, right? Okay, it will be the same. Let's see. So when you differentiate cotangent sine theta, cotangent u, you will got minus cosecant square u is here, sine theta, right? Minus cotangent cosecant minus cosecant square of sine theta, and then differentiate the u again. dy d theta sine theta, right? Okay. So I will put the minus in front of this. It will be minus 2 cotangent sine theta cosecant square sine theta, and then when you differentiate the sine theta, you will got only cosine theta, right? So this will be my final answer. Okay. Okay, let's move to the final part. Okay, the final step. The final I'm gonna say final question. Okay. So the final one is y equal to y equal to cosine power 4 or sine QX. Okay. So for this one also, you need to know this one is equal to cosine of sine Q or S, the whole power 4. So this one also have an exponent, right? So when you see the exponent, just put down the exponent, and then for the second step, reduce the power 1, and then final step is differentiate the base, right? Okay, I will differentiate dy over ds. So when you want to differentiate, just put down the power, and then reduce the power 1. So you will go like this. The whole power 4 minus 1 is 3, right? Okay, finally, differentiate the base. The base is cosine of sine cube ask, right? Okay, for this one, I will copy the same. Cosine, sine cube or ask, the whole cube. And then also, you can also write like this. Cosine cube, sine cube or x. It will be the same, right? Okay, and then for this one, you need to see like, for this one, you need to see like this. Cosine of this one as a u. Okay, so when you want to differentiate cos u, what will you got? What will you get? So when you differentiate cos u, you will get minus sine u, and differentiate u again, right? So here, this is cos, so this one will be u. Okay, let's go. So when you differentiate the cos, you will got minus sine u. U is here, sine q s, right? Okay, and then differentiate the sine u again, right? U is here, sine q s. So dy ds sine q s, right? Okay, I will put this minus to the front. So this will be minus sine cos q of sine q s, and then sine of sine q s. Okay, for this one, sine q s. So sine q s is equal to sine s, the whole u, right? So this one also have the exponent, right? So when you see the exponent, just put down the exponent, and then reduce the power 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And then final step is differentiate the base, right? So dy ds, the base is here, sine x, right? Okay. So I will multiply 3 and 4. So you will got minus 12, negative 12, right? And then I will copy this the same, right? So cos 2 of sine qs, sine of sine qs, and then this one, sine square s, right? So final one. When you differentiate sine of s, you will got only cos s. And then, so it's only s, right? So when you differentiate the s, you will got only 1, right? So you don't need to. All right. Okay, this will be the my final answer. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube video. And if you want to see more, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.